Hello, I am Dr. S.D. Mahar from RGPG College, Ambikapur. Uh, is it okay? Yeah, I am S.D. Mahar from RGPG College, Ambikapur. I want to deal with the study of geothermal electricity and its application in the seismovolcanic prediction. So, respected dignitaries, professors, scholars, and all, may I have your attention, please, that we have at scope mirror geoscience geo X-ray means we can see the X-ray of Earth. We have German KTB borewell and fine drilling technology that we can fine drill the Earth up to 12 kilometers. We have high temperature superconductor wires by Nobel laureate George and K. Alex. We have also left for cryo observation in the minus 190 degrees centigrade. We have enthalpy geo modules. We have such development in science, but yet unpredicted seismovolcanism because the ununion of the science. If all sciences will combine and work with each other, so we can predict the seismicity and volcanism. So we have made Earth model is made to experiment the observation of the geoelectric mapping. We have made the pseudo seismicity and take the result. That correct technology is geoelectric, geomagnetic, gaseous measurement and wave measurement, seismic parameters and record of earth change during the volcanoseismic prediction and estimate Earth's internal structure. Also, we have Mirror Geoscience also provide the software and engineers for the implementation of geological data. Diobara Award provides X-ray of the Earth by her space science technology, and now internal structure could be known exactly, and these applications are applied in coal, petroleum ores mining. I request for its also applied by seismovolcanology. So Madam Cook, Brian German, KTB borewell has computed for the petroleum production fine drilling technology by Windeschen Geo Fortingen Drum GFZ Germany for the deep telescope that they can see 12.26 kilometer at 270 degree centigrade. So fine deep drilling technology has Kurt Braun et al. Have drilling company with Windeschen Bench in Germany and KTB Borehole Germany. Now it is called as Geoforschung Zentrum GFZ Germany. So KTB-HB technology and the geological temperature is estimated for borewell temperature profile, and the estimated bottom hole temperature BHT is found between 260 degrees centigrade and 270 degrees centigrade at the 10 kilometer deep earth. So they have done drilling up to the maximum depth of 12.26 kilometer. So superconductor high temperature thermocouple wires are there. International Business Machine Corporation IMB has developed in America that Nobel laureate Bed Norge and K.L.X. Muller developed high temperature superconduction. It is referenced in 23, and these high temperature supercomputers were in 1887 Nobel laureate Bondo Norge George and K.L.X. Muller, American multinational company, is honored for it the producer. So fourth thing, the liquid nitrogen observatory, Ringmont Verlevsky and Karol Alsvisky of the Jaglahan University in China established the separation industry. They sell commercial liquid nitrogen which boiling point is minus 190 degrees centigrade. And lastly, liquid nitrogen observatory was established in Jagiellonian University on 15 April 1883 by Polish physicist Zygmunt Brodowski and Karel Olszewski. Suzhou Jin Air Separation Plant Science and Development Company Limited focused on the research and development, design and manufacture of the cryogenic technical field. There are high energy at moving tectonic plate by half MV square, and it is double. So boiling magma chamber, exploding, breaking rocks, and these energies also have enthalpy which can be observed by geothermal electricity peer to seismovolcanic using earth, X-ray deep drill, superconductor thermocouple and liquid nitrogen observatory is increased geothermal electricity for the prediction. So objective of the study is to construct the model on which volcano prediction by an increase of geothermal electricity current be observed by super sensitive nanometer, microvoltmeter, galvanometer. I use here galvanometer. So methodology is thermoelectric experiment. See back 1828 what the thermoelectric experiment was. This was tested and manually it is ice and it is by heating the thermocouple, and the result was found that there is about 45 mu emitter thermoelectric current was found 45 degree centigrade, and these are the articles used in this. This was the ball, and using the measuring the value, and this is the actually method how I did that. The empty ball was forked in 4 parts, and then in the layering that was just like of earth, the ratio, the grades, sands, etc. was layered, and in the center of the globe the magnet was put, and this is showing the power of the magnet which was the placed, and this is the deflection magnometer using the measurement of the power of the magnet, and that magnet was put in the rubber, and it was tested that it doesn't affect to the magnetic property, and it was put in the middle. And then the main thing was volcanic chamber protection. So there was a sand layer, then clay soil layer. This was clay soil layer put in the sand layer, and in the cup the sealing wax rod was put, and this sealing wax rod put in the center and covering all over the cup. And when it is dried, it was the ferromide, and the thermocouples jointing place was inserted in this place, and again it is closed by the silt and soil, and it was tightened by the tag so that it don't be disturbed, and it was inserted in the model. And then the water of saline water pouches was inserted, and one thing I left, that there was inserting a coil. So coil of the electric heater of 250 volt, so that that coil give the temperature to melt the sealing rod to make it the volcanic magma. So this is the ratio of the earth and our model's thickness ratio, and this is the diagrammatic diagram of the experimental setup, and actually this is the photograph of experimental setup, and this is the result, that when the experiment was over, the result was up to 45 mu ampere, and this is the actual result, that 1 p.m. we started with the 0 ampere, and the cold temperature was 0, and means the ice was, and one conjunction of put was in ice bath, and one conjunction is already inserted in the magma. So by adding the mu ammeter with the time, this is the result, and lastly we got 15 mu A. Since the boiling point of the sealing rod is very less, minimum, so that it is used in sealing paper. So if it is confusion creating, so we externally boil and put the wire, and again take the result to be confirmation, and the result was confirmed. And this is comparative physical property of the earth and our model's ratio. And this is conclusion, that volcano prediction can be made using geothermal electricity increasing, and two different fine wire having minimum electric resistance can be applied as thermocouple conduction wire fixed with the electrode junction of the thermocouple of connected to liquid nitrogen in the observatory center, and another junction of thermocouple should be inserted in the ice bath, so that we can make the thermal gradients, and volcanic eruption will increase temperature at the certain rate. This geothermoelectric circuit be observed with the mu ammeter, and volcano waves must have geothermic waves to increase mu m meters reading. So this is all about the reference, and actually these are my old papers. So thank you very much.